Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101, a beginner's guide to making money online. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of affiliate marketing and show you how to start earning money by promoting other people's products. Whether you're new to online marketing or looking for a way to expand your business, this video is for you. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing, and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a way for people to earn money by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program and choose a product to promote. You create content that promotes the product, e.g., blog post, video review, social media post. You include a unique link to the product in your content. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both the affiliate, you, and the product owner. The affiliate earns a commission for promoting the product, while the product owner gets more exposure and sales. Choosing the right niche. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, it's time to choose the right niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you'll focus on in your content. Here are some tips for choosing the right niche. Choose something you're passionate about. You'll be creating content on this topic, so it's important to choose something that you enjoy and are knowledgeable about. Research the competition. Look at what other affiliates are promoting in your niche and see if there's room for you to differentiate yourself. Consider the demand. Is there a demand for products in your niche? Are people actively searching for information on this topic? Think long-term. Choose a niche that you can see yourself working on for years to come. Building an audience takes time, so it's important to choose something you're committed to. Finding the right products to promote. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find the right products to promote. Here are some tips for finding the right products. Choose products that are relevant to your niche. Your audience is interested in your niche, so make sure the products you promote are relevant to their interests. Look for products with high commissions. The higher the commission, the more money you'll make per sale. Look for products with commissions of 30% or higher. Check the product's reputation. You don't want to promote a product that has a bad reputation. Make sure you research the product and its reviews before promoting it. Consider the product's landing page. The landing page is the page where the customer will make the purchase. And that's it for today's video on how to make money with affiliate marketing. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to start and grow your online business. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.